Good morning, Temina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, which is video number 5 on simultaneous linear equation, we will solve this example with the help of substitution method and elimination method. Now, this is the example in which the coefficient of x and y are different. And this is what I told you, that in this video, I will teach you how to handle these type of questions. So you can see clearly the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 4, in equation 2 is 6, whereas coefficient of y in equation 1, let me name it equation 1 and equation 2, is 3, minus 3 and 1. So let's solve this question with the help of elimination method first. And we have to make the coefficient same first of all. This is the first target to achieve. So what we will do, let's see here. So first of all, you decide which variable you want to eliminate. Do you want to eliminate x or y? After that, we will try to make their coefficient same. So suppose I want to make or eliminate coefficient y, right? So right now, the coefficient of y is minus 3 and plus 1. So in equation 2, I can make the coefficient 3 of equation y. What will I do? I will multiply the whole equation by 3. So this one will become 6 times 3 is 18x. It is 1 here. When you will multiply by 3, it will become 3y. This is 1 here. It will also become 3 because 1 times 3 is 3. So now if I write the equations again, it will become 4x minus 3y equals to 8. And second equation will become 18x plus 3y equals to 3. Be careful, don't forget to multiply what is written after equals to sign. This is the common mistakes students make. Now if I see the coefficient of y is same. Second thing you have to see, either the sign is same or not. Sign is not same. In that case, what do? Do you remember I told you earlier? When signs are different, we add the equations, right? I told you. So now I will add these equations. I'm going to add these equations. So what will happen? The minus 3y and plus 3y will cancel out. And 4x plus 18x will become 22x. And 8 and 3 is 11. So now x is equals to 11 divided by 22, which is 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. So I got the value of x, which is half. Now I have to find the value of y. It is my choice. I use equation 1 or 2 to find the value of y. I am going with equation 2 because the coefficient is 1. It is easy to handle. So be smart and pick up the equation if it has coefficient 1. It is always easy to handle it. Now equation 2 is 6x plus y equals to 1. So I will substitute this value of half x here, right? Now if you see 6 times half means I can cancel numerator and denominator. Agreed? So it will become 3 plus y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 minus 3, which is what? Y equals to minus 2. So now you have answers half and minus 2. Now, I will solve the same question with the help of substitution method now. Okay, just let me change the color. Thank you. Okay, so now when it is a substitution method, it is always best to make that variable a subject which has coefficient 1. So if I see equation 2 has y which has coefficient 1. So what I will do, I will take equation 2. It is 6x plus y equals to 1. I will make y a subject. And this I will plug in equation 1. Okay. So I will substitute it in equation 1. In place of what? In place of y. So I will substitute it here. This value of y I will plug in here. So it will become 4x minus 3 bracket 1 minus 6x equals to 8. Now you will expand the bracket. Be careful about sign. don't make the mistake. Minus times minus is plus. So it will become 4x plus 18x is 22x. When you will take this 3 to the other side, the sign will change and it will become 11. Agreed? So now you will divide it. So x equals to 11 divided by 22. So x is equals to half. Getting the same value. Now I have to find the value of y. Your choice. You plug in equation 1, 2 or here. I'm going to substitute it here. So y is equals to 1 minus 6x. So I will substitute the value of x in place of this because 6x means 6 is multiplying by x. You know algebraically what does it mean. So 6 times half is what? 3. So you will get minus 2. So I got the same answer. So I hope you understood this. But let me tell you one thing extra here. The same question at times is asked in a different manner. You know what is that? The question is given to you. Let me explain it to you. The question is given to you and solution is also given to you, and they say check without working either the answer is right or not. You know, the question scenario is changed just to check your understanding. So suppose I say the student has found after solving the equation, answer he got is half and 1. Suppose I'm giving you this question, right? And you have to find out either the solution of the student is right or not. So what will you do? If question is saying without solving it, it doesn't mean mentally. It means without solving it by elimination or substitution method. That is the meaning of the question. So what you will do, you will plug in this answer of the student in equation. So let me substitute in equation first, 1 first of all. So 4 times half minus 3 times 1, because this is x and this is y. The student has found this answer and we are checking he's right or not. So it is 2 minus 3 equals to 8. Minus 1 equals to 8. Now this is wrong. Minus 1 is not equals to 8. Agreed? So the student is not right. The student is wrong. So you can write here the solution of the student is wrong. The solution of the student, always write this statement please, okay, is incorrect. Let me tell you one more thing here, the common mistakes. Sometimes what happens when you plug in the value in the first equation, you get right answer. For example, if I have gotten here 8 equals to 8, for example, right? It is not the case, but suppose I cannot claim immediately that student is right. I have to check the other equation also. So I will substitute the same answer of the student in the second equation also. And that equation should also satisfy at the end that 1 equals to 1. If both the equations will satisfy the solution, then you can claim that a student's solution is correct. And you know the reason behind it. The reason behind it is, let me explain it to you. Graphically, when you draw two lines, okay, the intersection point is actually your solution of two equations. So when a student got both the answer correct, it means his answer is here where two lines are meeting. But in case if a student get one equation answer wrong, other equation answer correct, it means point is only on one of the line and not on the other. And simultaneous always mean it should be the intersection point of two lines. So I hope you understood. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.